Hello, and today we will uninstall Linux properly. So let me just show you how it's done. So just get in here and type just search command prompt, and here you can just run as administrator. So just click on this and it should run it as administrator, and if you are on Windows 10 then the search command prompt. So if you don't have that option, what the heck am I typing? So then you can just right click on this and you should see an option called run as administrator. So first let's check which bootloaders are installed in our system. So let's just do bcdedit and then /enum and then firmware. So what this command will do, it will get all the bootloader that is installed in our system. So here you can see I have this bootmgr. So this is Windows, this is Windows boot manager, so it is actually just Windows. Oh sorry, this is the firmware boot manager, so it manages all the system boot that is installed here. And then you can see there is a little bit more, so I think I accidentally left this out, but you can see here is Manjaro. So this is the operating system that we're trying to uninstall, but it shouldn't matter that much. So even if you're doing Ubuntu or Kali Linux, the process is basically the same. And in here the most important thing is this identifier right here. So this is what tells the boot manager what to boot actually. So to remove this one, just copy this, make sure you copy this properly. So C and copy this, and for some reason this does not work with PowerShell. I don't know what, I get some errors while doing it on PowerShell, so I just use command prompt because it's kind of reliable and I can use it on here really well. So the simple command is just do bcdedit, bcdedit search delete and then paste the identifier. Now again, make sure you copied the right identifier, because if your identifier is wrong then you'll have a really bad time. So make sure you have the correct identifier, and after you do that just hit enter, and there we go. If it says the operation completed successfully, then you have successfully removed the bootloader from your system. So now we just have to just delete the partition that we had for Manjaro. So for this you just have to get here and then click on manage. So, and if you don't have this option right here, or you don't want to do it like this, you can just get here and then the search for computer management. This is what you're looking for. Just click on this and it should bring up a window like this. Then go to disk management. This is the partition that my Linux system is using. So here you can just delete the volume. So now this is safe to delete and it shouldn't cause any additional problems for you. So after you have deleted this, now you have successfully deleted or uninstalled Linux from your dual booted machine, and you can install another operating system if you want, or you can just leave it as is. Again, and if you have cut it from the same drive, you can just extend it and add it to your Windows PC. So if you found this video helpful, then leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.